Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in Python series. In this video we will do some mini project on student management system. Previously in the Python series, in the videos we have discussed about the basics of Python, like variables, data types, tuples, lists, conditional statements, and loops also. By using all the basics, we will create a simple mini project, student management system. In this project, what we do is we can add we can add the particulars of a student, or search the student, or see number of students are available, and these are some of the operations we can perform in this project. And what the concepts we have used is variables and data types, lists and tuples, loops, conditional statements, and basic input and output. By using these basics, we will create one simple program. Initially, I have created a student list, empty list. While I'm using while loop here, while true, until this condition is true, I want to do some operations like I want to add a student, view a student, search a student. If not this, I want to do exit. So for understanding of the user, we should give which option they want to enter. So for that we will be printing these options initially, and by using the input function we will ask the user to enter the choice. For suppose if the user enters choice 1, that is add student, then we will be taking the particulars of a student, like name is equal to input, enter student name, and using age is equal to int. Age is integer value, so int input, enter age, and marks. Using input function, we will ask the user to enter marks. And once the data of the student is given input, we should check whether that student already exists in the existing student list or not. So for that we should check the duplication. For that, initially you create a variable with false, create a variable duplicate, and assign false. For s in students, s will iterate over the student values of the student. If s of 0 is equal to name, and s of 1 is equal to age, we are checking whether the name exists or not, whether the age matches or not. If it is so, we are turning the duplicate variable to true, and if it get matches, then break will be executed, that is the data will not be entered. So if duplicate, what it will print is student already exists, not added. So this data the user entered will not be added, as a duplication may occur. Otherwise, if the student is not found in the student list, this data will be appended. The data we entered will be added into the student list by using dot append method. All these particulars will be added to the student list. So print, after that it will give a confirmation statement like student added successfully. If the user selects choice 2, then by using elif we will be executing the set of instructions, set of statements. Here choice 2 is related to view student. We want to check whether students exist in the all the elements of a student. So elif choice is equal to if length of student is equal to 0 if the student list is 0, then it should indicate that no students are found. So nothing but an empty list is there. So this throws that no students found. If length is not is equal to 0, then else will be executed, and it gives student list. All the particulars in the student list should be displayed. For that we will be using for loop here. For iterating over the elements in the student, we will be printing each particular, like name, age, marks, etc. So by using this set of code, we can view the student inside the student list. and if choice is given as 3, so elif choice is equal to 3, we want to search the student in the student list. For that, using this input, enter the name to search. We want to search a particular student, so using, we will be storing the name of the, we want to enter input, we will give some input name. Using this, we'll be storing in the search underscore name, and also we will be initializing a variable found with value false. For yes in students, iterating over the student list, existing student list, if s of 0 is equal to search name, if the name of the student matches with the search name, we will be printing student found, student is found, student exists in the student list. Then we will be turning this found is equal to true, and this will break once the student is found in the list. This loop, if loop, will be this will get break, and it will come out of this, and first this will come out of this for, and then if not found, then print student not found will be given. The output we get, if the student is not found, student not found will be given here. Otherwise, it will give break here. If a student is found, this loop will be stopped executing. This will exit the loop. If the user enters the choice number 4, if elif choice is equal to 4, print exiting program. This is the choice of the user that he want to exit the program. And if otherwise, while else print invalid choice. If the user enters any choice out of the given choices, then it should throw an error, like we should inform the user that it is an invalid choice. So let us run this program and check and do some operations on this. So initially, we using print options, we have for making the user understand what choice he need to pick. Using print option, we have printed all this. I want to add a student in the student list. For that, I will enter choice number 1. Once the choice number 1 is given, the code will be executed inside the first if statement. So now I will enter some name like this, and age marks 85. So student added successfully. The particulars of the student are added into the list. If I want to view the students, number 2, or also let us enter student name like Rahul, age 18, marks 95. We have entered the 2 student particulars in the student list. I want to next, let us see the choice number 2. I want to view the students inside the list. What are the students we entered is Swati 25, 85 marks, Rahul 18, 95 marks. The particulars of the particulars we have entered, the elements in the student list will be displayed here. And let us try the choice number 3. We want to search a student inside the list. For suppose I want to search Swati, let us enter the name. Yes, Swati is found, student particulars are available in the existing student list. So for suppose I have done all the operations and I want to exit the program, then if we give 4, the program will be exited. So this is a simple program on student management system using the simple Python basic concepts. So I guess this is understandable, and that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.